Manage UrbanPiper orders straight from your Sapaad POS and experience 100% automated order fulfillment. No manual entries, no errors. In this video, we'll show you how to integrate UrbanPiper with Sapaad in 2 easy steps. First, activate your UrbanPiper account on your Sapaad POS. Second, sync your Sapaad menu to UrbanPiper. Let's begin. On your Sapaad POS, go to Setup, My Account, Enable UrbanPiper integration. You're all set. You've just enabled UrbanPiper. Next, go back to Setup, Partner Integrations, Online Platform Aggregators. Switch on the toggle for UrbanPiper to activate it and agree to the user agreement. Proceed to the Settings page and activate the Auto Accept Orders feature, applying it to all your locations. Enter the unique API key provided by UrbanPiper. Below that, choose the specific location you wish to connect with UrbanPiper. Specify the preparation time for that location, and select the relevant food aggregators. Click on Save. Note that when you enable selected locations in Sapaad settings, they're automatically created and reflected in UrbanPiper's Atlas dashboard. The Atlas dashboard credentials are sent to your email by the UrbanPiper team. Now, it's time to sync your menu to UrbanPiper. Go back to Setup, then Location Setup. Choose the location, and go to Online Platform Aggregators. Then choose UrbanPiper Menu. This will open the menu settings. Initially, checkboxes under Sync Item are selected by default, while in-stock menu items are left unselected and cannot be manually selected yet. Select which menu items you want to sync to UrbanPiper, and once done, click Save Category. Do this to all your menu categories. After that, click Sync Menu. Once you've successfully synced the menu with UrbanPiper, it will be reflected in UrbanPiper's Atlas dashboard. Contact support@sapaad.com for further assistance on syncing your menu with food aggregator platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated UrbanPiper with Sapaad. To recap, first, activate UrbanPiper in your Sapaad POS and select applicable locations. Second, sync your Sapaad menu to UrbanPiper. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.